schwitzing out there, your armpits, dripping down your back. That's never a good feeling. Here's a look at our temperatures. Above average, 20 degrees for a lot of us here. What the what? But we do have another snowstorm coming, so it's kind of weird. You're like, Abrams, you just told me it's going to be 20 degrees above average, but we have snow coming? Don't worry. I'm going to work it out for you. And then in the south, we do have the threat for severe weather, a spring-looking storm system. Up next here on America's Morning Headquarters for weather, we could have deal, okay? This is just going to crush us when it comes to severe weather. Jim's going to explain that and shear and what that means, directional shear and also vertical shear. So this low pressure is going to come in. The jet plays a role, but mainly we have this low coming in, the cold air being pulled in on the backside of this, and then that warm, moist flow. Again, that's Cantori's deal today. My deal is getting you guys prepared for what could be a blizzard in a lot of locations. I looked up Omaha, Nebraska. We're about 6 inches above average, almost 7 inches above average on snowfall. We're to get nailed. Lincoln, Nebraska actually needs snow. We're a little bit below average on the snowfall there, so we could take it. We're going to get it, though, in the face. We're going face first here into the Sierra. Who doesn't love to see this? Liquid gold. Forget gold. Liquid platinum, right? Isn't platinum more expensive than gold? I don't know. Should we be buying bars of platinum? Maybe gold is more expensive. I don't know. I don't keep track of that stuff. We are going to see that snow coming into the Centennial State. That would be Colorado. And then into the Midwest. So again, Nebraska, we're getting it. We need it. The caucus, it doesn't look like we're going to be too affected unless you're trying to get out. On Tuesday, that's when we're going to have those problems. All the rules for the caucus, I was looking it up just because I like to educate myself and, be aware of what's going on. There's a lot of rules when it comes into that caucus. Not a lot of rules when it comes to the snow here. Denver, we could pick up a good 8 to 12 inches. But your forecast, we're talking about the January thaw. You are going to be schwitzing out there. Your armpits, dripping down your back. That's never a good feeling. Here's a look at our temperatures. Above average, 20 degrees for a lot of us here. What the what? But we do have another snowstorm coming, so it's kind of weird. You're like, Abrams, you just told me it's going to be 20 degrees above average, but we have snow coming? Don't worry. I'm going to work it out for you. And then in the south, we do have the threat for severe weather, a spring-looking storm system. Up next here on America's Morning Headquarters for